Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. Today I'm going to be showing you around the Kapuhala here in Koh Samui. It is a world famous vegetarian restaurant. All the food is grown locally sourced here in the garden on the premises, and it also has a beautiful infinity pool, and they also rent villas here as well. But unfortunately, due to the COVID situation, they've been forced to close their doors for 6 months. So today is the last day that the Kapuhala is going to be open, which is very unfortunate, but I'm grateful to be here now, and luckily I was able to eat some food and get a coffee before they close. So thanks for watching another episode. Enjoy this video. First, I'm going to show you an interview with the owner and the chef here, and then we do a full tour around the property. So please subscribe to the channel and enjoy the episode. Thanks so much.
Yeah, so Kapuhala got started by a wonderful man named Stefano Passarello. He's an Ironman champion in Hawaii. Awesome, really fit. He wanted to do something that was self-sustainable. He wanted to do something where the community can be involved, where we can grow the food on our own property, serve it fresh, plant-based foods. Yeah, I think his idea is to give the most healthy possible foods you can possibly give, and break away from manufacturing, just right down to the raw nutrients, to really heal the body for whatever it needs, to make it stronger, to be the game changer. His drive has been inspiring to me. When he comes and visits, he's exercising a couple hours at a time. He's inspiring. So it's a nice rub-off to work for somebody that really cares about bringing out plant-based community food and fine dining.
I've heard that this is one of the top-rated vegetarian restaurants in the world, not just Thailand. Is that correct?
We had some wonderful reviews.
Yeah.
We were in Forbes with a nice review. We were on CNN.
Wow.
We had some really good. We were on a couple travel magazines. We've had some really nice reviews. Pre-COVID, even after pre-COVID, we had some great reviews. But pre-COVID, especially, we got to do some really fine dining, plant-based foods, which really kind of set the bar a little bit higher for us. And that's kind of what brought a lot of people here, is the fact that they can have a nice, wonderful fine dining experience with a plant-based meal.
And how have you coped during the COVID situation, and what's the future looking like for you?
Well, for Kapuhala, I mean, we've been trying really hard to keep the doors open, allowing the community to come, but with the rest of the world just tightening things up, it's been more hard for us to get the customers here, because there's no way for them to travel. We plan to staying around. We're closing temporarily until this COVID kind of relaxes a little bit, and we can get the vaccines out there. As soon as those doors open back up, we'll be flying back to get this thing open again, so people can come and taste the great food and experience actually the amazing views.
Oh yeah, it's incredible up here. I
It's
just
not
got the full tour of the place too.
Yeah, it's not just the food;
very
it's
nice.
awesome. I mean, the view is great. We have an awesome gym we can do. We got a 25-meter pool. We got a rooftop bar. We got a garden people can go walk through and pick some fruits off the trees. It's an awesome place to be.
A little bit of something for everyone.
For sure.
Got tour around. Oh, look at this. We have some bananas growing on the tree here. Ooh. And then here's the hotel rooms that they have available. Alright. Oh. Ah. Oh. So all of the food is locally grown here in the garden. Check it out. Oh, that's pretty neat. It's a fully vegan vegetarian restaurant. It's actually one of the top-rated vegetarian restaurants in the world. Not just Thailand, but in the world. So pretty incredible, but unfortunately they're closing later today for about 6 months. Hopefully it won't be that long though. Oh wow. It's a beautiful place. Ooh. Oh, very nice. I'm getting the full tour today. What's your name?
Nong.
Nom.
Nong.
Nong.
Yeah.
Yindi Chidai Rijak.
Yeah.
Excellent. Wow. Look, we have banana trees right here. Ooh. Looks like they're pretty ripe and almost ready for picking. Oh. Oh, this turns on the waterfall?
Yeah.
Oh, neat. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, so cool. Awesome. Wow. That's so cool. Should probably conserve water though. Whoa. I wouldn't mind staying here for a few nights if you weren't closing. Looks like they have some tent villas available too, right here. Are these, what is this place here? It's a tent?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And check out this incredible view from Kapuhala. That's where I'm staying right now at the Sandalwood Villas, right over there. You can see it from here. Right there. That's where I'm staying right now. But check this out. Whoa. Wow. Some of the most amazing views of Koh Samui from up here. It looks like they have some other villas down here for rent. That place is incredible. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Damn.
Mango.
Mango?
Yeah.
Oh, these are mango trees?
Yeah.
Ah.
And this one,
Whoa.
no, cashew.
Cashews.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a cashew tree. Let's see. Thanks for showing me around.
Mango, soon.
Ah. So you grow all your own food
Yeah.
here for the restaurant?
Yeah. For everything you can eat.
Food, farm to table.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Kids.
I think it's one of the top-rated vegetarian restaurants in the world. I think so. Somebody told me that. Let's keep looking around a little bit. Whoa. How much are your rooms per night?
Now, it's about 2,000.
2,000. Oh, that's not bad. 2,000 baht is about $60. This is a mango tree as well?
Yeah.
Ah.
Small.
Oh yeah, you can see little mangoes growing up there. Wow. The food here is delicious too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Too bad you're closing for 6 months.
Dinner.
Bamboo. He's picking bamboo. Look at that. Ah. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Amazing. Thanks so much for watching another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. In this episode, I've been showing you around Kapuhala, which is a beautiful resort and one of the top-rated vegetarian restaurants in the world with incredible views of Koh Samui. Unfortunately, due to the COVID crisis, they're going to be closing down tomorrow for, it's looking like about 6 months, which is very unfortunate. But, I was lucky enough to come up here and have a coffee and some tacos before they close. This is the last day on January 10th. But yeah, I'm going to be spending a lot more time here in Koh Samui. I might just rent a villa for a while, and I'm planning on spending my lockdown here on this beautiful paradise island. And it is really tough right now. Yesterday I went for a walk on Chaweng beach, which is normally one of the most popular areas on the island. But due to the lack of foreign tourism, everything's closed. All the resorts, restaurants, bars, it's just a ghost town. That being said, every cloud has its silver lining, and I want to make the most of the situation while I'm here and hopefully inspire more people by putting out content here on this YouTube channel. This too shall pass. We're going to get through this pandemic and I think come out stronger on the other side. So thanks so much for watching another episode. Please hit that red button to subscribe. And until next time, peace from Thailand. Take care, stay safe.